So that's a perfect texture right there.
And it's my favorite color. This is giving me pink vibes. I love it.
There we go.
Looks so good. Hi guys, today Neil is by the bar to teach us all about beetroot punch. So let's get blending.
So we're just gonna grab our blenders right here. Just about half cup of milk,
Okay.
full cream milk.
Okie dokie.
That's it. About 3/4 ounces of Demerara syrup, or perfect substitute is honey.
Oh, I was gonna say I love honey. I was hoping we could switch up for honey too.
Yeah, this is just to really bind the flavors together.
All right.
So it's really brown sugar, simple syrup.
Okay, that's your Demerara syrup.
Demerara syrup. So it gives you much more depth of flavor and character versus regular simple syrup.
Okay, okay.
And I'm gonna help you with some beet.
This jar of our
That's about 1/4
show?
cup of beet.
Okay,
You actually
so-
boil the beet before. I could just throw it in.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah, just throw it in.
Okay, let's tell me when to stop, eh? You know, I'm
Yeah,
good with
that's
average. That's fine?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, great.
It's about 1/4 cup of,
Great.
and 1 whole banana.
Sure.
This is relative depending on the size of the banana.
Okay.
So these bananas are relatively on the smaller side.
Smaller side, yeah.
So, yeah, so 1 full banana.
All right, I'm just making sure.
And I try to recommend the older bananas because it's a bit sweeter.
Right, riper bananas, so it
Yeah.
would make sense. Got it?
So the thing is, this drink is going to be somewhat on the sweet side, but not from the sugar, but from the beet and beet and banana, which has its natural sugars,
Ah, okay.
right? So we
And
just
now
gonna,
what? We blend?
We're just gonna pulse this a bit to
Okay.
blend the beet as well as the banana.
Okay.
And break it up, right? We can add our ice now.
Got it. I don't know about you, but I love beetroot punch. Beets are so good for your tummy. Like, they have so much fiber, so it
Real.
promotes good gut health, which is why I love to use beets all the time. And a beetroot punch is the best.
Yeah, I love beetroot as well. So just about 1.5 scoops of ice.
Okay. And we
Go.
press again.
Yeah, we. Grab the cup.
Good to go.
Just a little
A little
more.
thing
Yeah,
again.
just a
I
little, just a
see
little.
in some.
A little couple ice cubes in there.
Yes.
Alright, so that's a perfect texture right there.
And it's my favorite color. This is giving me pink vibes. I love it.
Alright.
Ooh,
There we go.
looks so good. This is a power pack punch.
And to be quite honest, to show how much I love beet, most of my cocktail competitions that I've entered and
Yeah.
won, beet was somewhere incorporated into those cocktail recipes.
Beet is a star ingredient. I'm
It
telling
is.
you, beet is a star ingredient.
So you're just gonna garnish this with a little banana or
So
Plantain
using plantain chips
plantain chips.
in a cocktail.
Just a garnish.
So it's a punch and a snack.
So dessert.
May I?
And that's it. Pretty simple.
Thank you. Guys, you know what time it is? So refreshing. And it's really not too sweet.
Right.
Of course, again, the riper the banana, the sweeter it is. But it's nice and it's cool. Got that great beet flavor.
For sure. I love the texture and the color. It's so appealing.
And this is a very famous and traditional punch here for us.
For sure.
I mean, you can't go by the punch man and not ask for a beetroot punch. For sure, for sure.
Right.
Guys, tell us in the comments if you want to see us make more punches. What are the punches? I mean, we did the sea moss.
The DC Moss.
We've done the beet and banana.
And we have another surprise coming up.
We have a surprise.
A surprise punch.
Guys, I'm excited. So stay tuned for that surprise punch and for more from us and from Neil. So until next time, bye-bye.